how to use your Black+Decker cordless drill as a screwdriver. Now, what you need is one of these. What this is a bits holder. I like this DeWalt one, however you can get some cheaper ones. This ain't too expensive. I will leave a link to it in the description. This has a shaft like this, what helps you drive screws, so I do really like it. So what you do, you enter it into the chuck, until you see some grip, then give it a final twist like that. Then you want some screwdriver bits like this. All you then need to do, pop it in the end, and there you go. You've turned your Black+Decker cordless drill into a screwdriver. If you want to change the type of bit, obviously you can get these sets. An Amazon Basics one is ideal. If you're just starting out, get a new bit, just pop it in, then go again. So that's how easy it is to turn your Black+Decker cordless drill into a screwdriver. If this video helps you out, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.